RapidPipeline has powerful tools for converting and optimizing CAD files. Here's how it works. When you upload a CAD file, RapidPipeline will automatically tessellate the surfaces and create some automatic file conversions. Once imported, you can use the preview to examine your model. Here we're switching from the 2D render to the 3D real-time view. RapidPipeline loads the converted file and shows some helpful data about it. You can change the rendering mode to see other views, like wireframe. Here we can see the CAD was stored in a different orientation, so we'll take a look at how to fix this. We can go to the 3D processor presets and create a new preset. We'll rename it as My CAD Processor. Then open it to edit the settings. Enable the Import tab. Then in General Import Settings, we can enable Convert Z Up to Y Up, which will fix the model orientation. Under the CAD Import Settings, we can choose the resolution to tessellate the incoming CAD data. There are 3 levels here: Fine, Medium, and Coarse. We'll stick with the default here. Scene graph flattening is useful to combine meshes together, which improves rendering performance. We'll choose By Material, which will merge meshes together that share the same material. The mesh culling section is especially helpful for CAD assets. We can use occlusion culling to automatically strip away all the unseen triangles. Optimize contains settings for simplifying the mesh and material data, as well as baking new textures. We'll enable 3D model optimization and choose the decimator. Enable the target and choose faces. Then we'll set a triangle limit using the faces value. 150,000 faces is a good optimization target for a complex CAD model like this. We'll open the material optimization settings and set it to material merger. This works with the scene graph flattening to bake new shared materials. Enable the normal map baker and the ambient occlusion map baker. These will help preserve all the high-resolution data when the model is decimated. Then we'll check the texture baking resolution. The default of 2048 by 2048 is probably going to be a good resolution for this model. In the Export tab, we'll change the format to GLB, which is a self-contained file great for sharing, and we'll add a USDZ file which helps for viewing on Apple devices. Then we'll save the preset. Back in the Assets section, we'll enable the imported CAD file. Then we'll choose Run 3D Processor and pick the preset we made. Let's open the CAD asset details to watch it work. The model is optimized and baked. Clicking on the outputs will open the preview where we can examine the finished asset. The model is now oriented the right way up, and we can examine all the render elements to see what's been created. All the details from the original asset have been baked into these new textures and applied to the decimated mesh. Our face target was 150K, but occlusion culling has actually reduced this further by removing the extra unseen triangles. We can close the preview and create an embed to share the processed model. The embed is a real-time 3D view of the asset, fully customizable and freely shareable. It can include buttons for viewing in AR and VR. Let's name the embed and create it. Then we can view the finished embed. If you click the AR button, you get a QR code which helps to share to a mobile phone. Try it for free or chat with our human team right on the website.